Hey, I'm excited to be here with CEO Sean.com. Sean hunted me down a little while ago and created my beautiful digital business card. But he shows up on occasion. He's a surprise visit today, popped into our office meeting. Really excited to have you. We don't get to talk, one-on-one that much, but
That's right.
I just want to give the mic to you for a second because you always have something brilliant to say or ask.
Guys, the one thing I would say as a leader of a team, just be of integrity. Always have your values shining through your team members. Because if someone want to know who you are, all they have to do is look at your team members. If they're smiling, guess what? You're winning. So the one question I want to ask you, Ed, what inspired you to become the leader you are today?
It's a question I've been asked before, and I've tried to look for that answer. A lot of times I don't know for sure. I just know when I wake up, I'm hungry.
That's right.
I'm just hungry and I just want to do better. And I tell people all the time, all I'm trying to figure out is how can I be the best that I can be? And this is a thing that's trapped in my head. And so the only way to know that I'm at my best is I compare myself to others. And I know people say don't compare yourself to others.
That's right.
But I can't help it. So if I see someone around the corner that's selling 182 homes and I only sold 162, there's something they're doing that's a little bit better, a little bit different, and go discover what it is and figure it out. So this is what I do every day when I wake up is I'm looking for people that are elevated above me, whether it's in my business, not in my business, and then I just study them, try to understand them. I talk to them, I ask them questions, and that's just the world I live in this head right here.
It's so funny. I listened to everything he said, and to me personally, what it comes down to is just having a heart. Because if you're going to go out there, you're going to live from here instead of here, everything will come into play. The reason he's trying to find the answer, because it's so simple, he missed it. Operate from the heart, and you're going to start attracting heartfelt people that's going to be there to support you. Guys, Ed cannot pay me to come here to do what I'm doing today. I volunteered to do so. This is why. Because when you support the right people, one day you're going to see a very big picture, and you'll be very glad to know you played a very small role in that picture. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Sean. Thanks for coming down, buddy. I appreciate you.
You got it. Cheers.